Hello my friends, welcome back to Carol's Current Obsession. Like I said before, it's more like Carol's Current Confession. But today I'm going to show you the new male body doll. This is a 62 centimeter and this comes from Jaime store. Okay, and I'm so excited about this male body because you guys know my love-hate relationship with the this dude. He is our dude. Yeah, but he's not exactly very dude-like. And he's also, you know, he's got this more hollow, plasticky body. And so I ordered this new one, and I'm excited because the quality of the body, I think, is going to be really good. Oh, yes. Okay. Much better quality. You guys, oh my gosh. Ta-da! Look. This is the male body. It is not vulgar. And look at the difference. Look at that. You can hear the difference. Now, let's see if we can twist his... Oh yeah, he's got really good articulation. Look at that. Well, this one is... Yeah, okay. So his foot doesn't turn side to side, it only goes up and down. Okay, that's odd. I would have thought that turns. Nope, it doesn't. Okay. And then... Oh, so, but he turns here. So... got a joint up here that turns, and then his hip turns, and his upper body also twists. That's kind of cool. And then his arms, of course. That one looks kind of loose, doesn't it? Well, well, his hands work well. Okay, and then he's got this kind of a neck joint. Now, I ordered a head for him, and I hope it fits the neck joint. That's what I'm hoping. But let's do a comparison. His arms actually look slightly more meaty than the other one. And, of course, he doesn't have printed abs, but he's got quite the male chest going on. Okay, let's do a comparison next to this guy. Let's back him off. There we go. First off, are they the same height? Yeah, they are. Okay, so 62 centimeters. And the neck post is a little different. So this is a thicker neck post here. So I wonder if my head's gonna work. And you can see the color is different too. And this guy is broader in his chest. So, the outfits that I made for this guy, well, they'll probably still fit. It's not too much of a difference. But listen. Yeah. You can tell this is a lot more high quality vinyl and thicker. And this one just is more hollow, plasticky. Your typical 60 centimeter, or, well, he's 62 centimeters, but 60 centimeter doll. Now, I mean, yeah, he looks more masculine. He doesn't have printed abs, but at least he has one ab. We could say he has two. Look, there's two. See, 1, 2. Okay, let's see if the boots fit this other guy, because if his shoes don't fit, then we're gonna be it'll be a sad story. Okay, so let's see if the shoes are the same size, or the foot is the same size. You know, I think his foot is bigger. His foot is bigger. Oh dear. Okay. Yeah, his foot is bigger. Okay, so he's meatier in a number of ways. Alright, let's see if the uncle shoes that I got will fit. Now, I recently bought some shoes. Okay, I recently bought some shoes. These are uncle sized is what they called them. And they are larger than that other size. And these are because I'm going to make a nice suit and jacket kind of thing, and I wanted shoes to go with it. So let's see if these fit this guy. Oh yeah, that works. Okay. Yeah, okay. That fits. It looks a little odd. That's because I haven't tied it down or anything like that, but this does fit. So the uncle size fits this larger doll, and at least these cloth boots on this doll, for if you're doing costume drama, Chinese costume drama stuff, those will not fit this body, those shoes. So let's keep that in mind. However, this uncle size does fit this doll, so I'm gonna tie it up here and see how it looks. It honestly still, it looks a little large, but once he has pants on, because the pants will come down and kind of pool around their ankle, I think that that will look just fine. Okay. Good to know, good to know. So if you buy this doll, this male body, you got to recognize that his feet are larger. Have a real quick look at a regular sized, this is a boot as well. And sometimes the sizing is enough different that there's no way that's going to fit. That boot will not fit. Okay. We're going to give another try. These are the ones that I used for the general one that I did. Let's see. I just cut off the scallops and relaced it with different laces because we had to make it look more manly. Now let's try and see if this boot will fit. You know, it is not looking like it. And this is a pretty soft shoe. So, yeah, it's a soft boot. If it was going to fit, it would. It's too long on the heel. So yeah, his toes are longer. So he's not going to fit that. You got to get the larger size. Dang it. That limits that for some. Okay, and I have to buy new shoes if I want to costume drama him. Well, good to know, right? Good to know. Alright, so here's our dude. And you know what? He has actually fairly large hips, unfortunately, for a guy. But other than that, I think his body is good. Okay, now I ordered some heads too, because, of course, you know, needed some heads. This is one of them. Okay. And I don't know. I don't, the color doesn't match either. So let's see. There we go. You can see the color's not quite right on him. Plus, I don't know that that's gonna fit on that base. So, but this is a wig, so I can take it off and add it to another head. And I did get a different head. Hopefully this one does. This one cost a little bit more, but he comes made up. So there's the hole. So I don't know if that's going to fit either. So this body is great, but I think it's going to be a hard moment trying to find a head that fits. Plus, color's not quite right either. That's a little bit disappointing, isn't it? This head is quite beautiful. Let's get it up close so you can see. Did a really good job with the makeup. But I don't know if we're going to be able to, and plus it's a different color. You know, if I heat it up, like really heat it up, I might be able to get that head on there. But it's a different color. Sad day. Now this head will fit this doll without any problem. So this has got the same neck as this guy. And I know that because I've already used that head. So this doll head will work. And I'll leave links down below for where I got these, but yeah. And you can take a closer look at this head. It's not bad. It's not all that masculine, but it's not bad. Yeah. And the wig, it's a good wig. I mean, it's a nice wig. We can style that to look how we want it. But, well, this one would almost fit easier than my expensive one. I don't know. That's disappointing. The colors aren't right. Alright, we're going to have to check. We're going to have to do some little blow dryer business. And I think once we put this on, it will not come off. So, the color's not right. Kind of loath to put it on him. I guess we can always cover his neck up so no one ever sees the color difference. But I mean, it looks like, you know, life and death. Gray body and not gray body, which is be fine if it was this color or this color, but you put the two together. Yeah. Ooh. This head, the noggin pops off. So you can change the eyes out if you really want to, but I don't want to. Okay, we're going to blow dry it and we'll be back. Alright, so I've blow dried the head and I took these giant shears and opened them up and stuck it in and dug, I don't know if you can see it, but kind of dug a spot in there so it'll open up the aperture a little more. And now I'm going to blow dry it again and see if we can fit it on this body, because yeah, I paid too much for the head. Let's get it. Okay, let's see if we can make this thing fit. I have to squeeze it further down. You know, maybe change out that. Alright, you guys, no amount of poking and prodding will make that head fit this body. It's probably better because it's not the right color anyway, but dang it. Now I have to get one of these bodies to fit that head. How annoying. And then I have to find another head with a bigger aperture for this. So, great body, okay? It's a great new body. I like the body. It's a higher quality body. It's good. However, it doesn't fit the heads like these. Okay, so you have to find a specialty head, and it doesn't fit the shoes normal. So your regular sized male shoes for 60 centimeter aren't going to work for these. So you have to get like the larger uncle size. So that's something to think about if you buy this body. Now, yeah, it is a higher quality body and it's not vulgar, so that's all nice. That's all good. But it comes with some little added issues there. Okay. Alright, so I hope you enjoy this review of this new male body available from Jaime. Like I said, it's really good quality. Really good quality. I mean, you know, it's great. It's great quality. It's just doesn't fit with the head. Dang it. Frustrating. Okay, so we're going to work on that. We're going to come back with the head for him. Alright, I hope you guys have enjoyed this review. I'll leave the links in the description below where he can be found. And if I find a head, I definitely am going to do another video if I can find a head for him. Alright, thanks guys. Take care. Bye.